Hello, this is Akora Barbara, a HEB student under Group 10, and our topic is discovering and using learning styles. Do learning styles really improve students' performance? It's our question since we're in the proposing side. So as a student, we grow up being told that some people are visual learners, others are auditory or kinesthetic. But the real question is, do learning styles actually improve learning? So in this video, we're going to share our reflection based on research, classroom experiences, and personal academic. So our first question starts with, students learn better. Do students learn better when teaching methods match learning styles? Many students believe they learn better when teaching matches their preferred styles. For example, using diagrams, videos, and discussion. From my experience, matching teaching styles sometimes increases motivation and attention, especially when the content is made relatable. But however, research also shows that performance improves more when teaching matches the nature of the subject, not just the learner. For example, practical skills are better learned through doing, while statistics require practice and problem solving. So learning style may support learning, but they are not really the only factor. Our second question is, are learning styles more important than effort displayed and practice? I believe effort, discipline, and practice still play a bigger role than learning styles. A student who revises consistently, attends lectures, and practices questions is more likely to perform better than someone relying on their preferred style. So learning style can guide how we study, but success still depends on your commitment, your time management, and self-discipline. As you can see, in our visual aid, a student is studying at night, or maybe is revising his papers. Our next question is, can understanding learning styles reduce failure and dropout rates in Uganda? In a narration in Uganda, some students fail or drop out, not because they are weak, but because teaching is often one-directional and exam-focused. So understanding learning styles can make teaching more inclusive, especially for slow learners and first-generation university students. When a student discovers how they learn best, they gain confidence, become more engaged, and develop positive attitude towards academics. So my answer is yes. Learning styles may not completely stop dropout rates, but they can support retention and motivation. As you can see in the video, there is a discussion group, as you can in the image. So our next question is, should lecturers adopt teaching methods to suit different learning styles? I believe lecturers should not design lessons for one learning style only, but rather use a blended approach. For example, use diagrams and slides for visual learners, discussions and case studies for auditory learners, practical work and demonstration for kinesthetic learners, which will promote inclusiveness and make students feel valued and supported. As you can see, there's a demonstration of a lecturer using a projector, discussions, and demonstration. Our next question is, can learning styles help students prepare better for examination? My answer is a yes. When students know their learning preferences, they can choose revision strategies that work best for them. For example, visual learners may benefit from mind maps and summaries, and mental learners may record notes or study through discussion. This improves understanding and reduces anxiety in an exam. Question 6. Should learning styles be taught at the beginning of the university or colleges? Which I strongly believe learning styles should be introduced during orientation or the first year studies skills courses. When a student understands how they learn early, they develop better study habits, confidence, and academic independence. As you can see, there is a welcome. The freshers are being welcomed and they're oriented. Our next point is, can learning styles improve group work and discussion? Yeah, in a group discussion, learning styles encourages collaboration. Different members contribute differently. Some analyze, others explain, others summarizes, which makes learning more attractive, cooperative, and socially engaging. As you can see, there is a small group discussion. There is a small group and they are trying to study. They're working out something. So conclusively, learning styles are not magic formula for academic success, but they help students understand themselves better, improve participation, and support inclusive learning. When combined with discipline, effort, and practice, they can contribute to better performance and retention and personal growth. So Group 10 supports the motion.